Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt Classes. In the series of fast calculation tricks, we are going to learn finding cube of 2 and 3 digit numbers. In my first video of fast calculation tricks, I had advised to memorize cube of the numbers from 1 to 10, and I am revising it here. The cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 is 125, cube of 6 is 216, cube of 7 is 343, cube of 8 is 512, cube of 9 is 729, and cube of 10 is 1000. Everyone has to memorize the cubes of the numbers up to 10. Now we are going to learn finding the cube of 2-digit numbers, and in the trick 1, part 1, we will learn finding the cube of numbers starting with 1, and these numbers are starting from 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. These all numbers are starting with 1. In the second part of this trick, we will be learning finding the cube of numbers ending with 1, like 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81 and 91. And in the third part, we will be learning finding the cube of numbers in which both the digits are same, like 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88 and 99. And in the fourth part, we will be learning finding the cube of numbers in which both the digits are different, like 23, 47, 54, 68, 85, all such type of numbers in which both the digits are different. And this is basically the universal method by which you can find cube of any number. So we start with finding the cube of numbers which are starting with 1, and our first number is finding cube of 12. So we write the first digit of 12, which is 1, and the second digit is 2. Now we will write the square of 2, which is 4, and then we will write cube of 2, which is 8. Now we will leave 1 and 8, and we will double the middle numbers 2 and 4. So double of 2 is 4 and double of 4 is 8. Now we will add all these. We will write 8 as it is, and we will add 4 plus 8, which is 12, and we will write 12, and 2 plus 4 is 6, and 1 as it is. Now we will take one digit from each part. So we will take 8, and then we will take 2 from 12 and carry 1, and we will write 1 below 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7, so we write 7, and then we go to the fourth part and we write 1 from the fourth part, and this becomes 1728, which is the cube of 12. Now we go to the next number, which is finding cube of 13. We write the first digit 1, then we will write the second digit 3, and then we will write the square of 3, which is 9, and we will write cube of 3, which is 27. Now we will leave 1 and 27 and double the middle two numbers. The double of 3 is 6 and double of 9 is 18. Now we will add all these. We write 27 as it is, and then 9 plus 18 is 27, and 3 plus 6 is 9, and we write 1 as it is. Now we will take one digit from each part of these 4 numbers. So we write 7 and carry the 2, and we will write 2 below the next portion of 27, and 27 plus 2 is 29. We write 9 and carry 2, and we will write 2 below 9, and 9 plus 2 is 11. We write 1 and carry 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, and we write 2. Thus the cube of 13 is 2197. Now we go to the next number, which is finding cube of 16. We write 1 and 6. Then we write square of 6, which is 36, and then write cube of 6, which is 216. Now leaving 1 and 216, we will double the middle two numbers. Double of 6 is 12 and double of 36 is 72. And we add these. We write 216 as it is, and 36 plus 72 is 108, and 6 plus 12 is 18, and we write 1 as it is. Now we will take one digit from each number and we will carry forward the other number. So we take 6 from the first number 216 and carry 21. We add 108 plus 21, which is 129. So we write 9 and carry 12, and we write 12 below 18. 18 plus 12 is 30. We write 0 and carry 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So we write 4, and the answer is 4096. Thus the cube of 16 is 4096. Now we go to the next number, and the next number is finding cube of 19. We write 1 and then 9. Then we will write square of 9, which is 81, and then cube of 9, which is 729. Now leaving the first number 1 and the last number 729, we will double the middle two numbers, which are 9 and 81. Double of 9 is 18 and double of 81 is 162. Now we add all these. We carry 729 as it is. 81 plus 162 is 243. 9 plus 18 is 27. We write 27 and we write 1 as it is. Now we take one digit from all these four numbers and carry the other number to the next set of numbers. So we write 9 from 729 and carry 72. 243 plus 72 is 315. We write 5 and carry 31. 27 plus 31 is 58. We write 8 and carry 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. So we write 6, and our answer is 6859. Thus the cube of 19 is 6859. Now we go to the part 2, in which we are going to learn finding the cube of numbers ending with 1. In case of 13 we had started from left. Now in case of 31 we will start from right, and we will write 1 of 31, then we will write 3 of 31, then we will write square of 3, which is 9, then we will write cube of 3, which is 27. Now leaving the 27 and 1, we will double the middle two numbers 9 and 3. The double of 9 is 18 and double of 3 is 6. Now we add all these. We write 1 as it is. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 18 is 27, and we write 27 as it is. Now we'll take one digit from each set of numbers. So we write 1, then we take 9, then we take 7 from 27 and carry 2. 27 plus 2 is 29. We write 29. Thus our answer is 29791. Hence cube of 31 is 29791. Now we go to the next number. We'll find the cube of 51, and we start from the right. We write 1 of 51, then we will write 5 of 51, and then we will write square of 5, which is 25, and then we will write cube of 5, which is 125. Now leaving 125 and 1, we will double the middle two numbers 25 and 5. Double of 25 is 50, and double of 5 is 10. Now we add. We write 1 as it is. 5 plus 10 is 15. We write 15. And 25 plus 50 is 75. We write 75. And then we write 125 as it is. Now we will take one digit from each number and we start writing 1. Then we will take 5 from 15 and carry 1 to next number. 75 plus 1 is 76. We write 6 and carry 7. 125 plus 7 is 132. We write 132. Hence our answer is 132651. Thus the cube of 51 is 132651. We go to the next number and we have to find the cube of 81. We start from the right and write 1 of 81. Then we write 8 of 81. And then we write square of 8, which is 64. And then cube of 8, which is 512. Leaving 512 and 1, we will double the middle two numbers, that is 64 and 8. Double of 8 is 16 and double of 64 is 128. Now we start adding all these numbers. We write 1 as it is. 8 and 16 is 24. 64 plus 128 is 192. We write 192 and we write 512 as it is. Now we'll start writing the number, taking one digit from each set of numbers, and we will carry forward the remaining part of the number. So we write 1, then we write 4 from 24 and carry 2. 192 plus 2 is 194. We write 4 and carry 19. 512 plus 19 is 531. We write 531. Thus the cube of 81 is 531441. Now we go to part 3, in which both the digits are same, like 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88 and 99. We start with number 22 and we'll find the cube of 22. Here both the digits are same. So we will make 4 parts and write in each part the cube of any of the digit, which is 2. So we write 8 for 4 times. Cube of 2 is 8. So we write 8 for 4 times, and leaving first and last 8, we will double the middle 2 8s, and double of 8 is 16 and double of 8 is 16 again. Now we add all these. All other steps are same. So we write 8, then 8 plus 16 is 24, then 8 plus 16 is 24, and then we carry 8 as it is. Now we start taking the digits. We will take one digit from each set of numbers. So we write 8, then we write 4 from 24 and carry 2. 24 plus 2 is 26. We write 6 and carry 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. We write 10. And our answer is 10648. Thus the cube of 22 is 10648. Now we go to the next number, which is cube of 33. And we will write cube of 3 for 4 times. Cube of 3 is 27. So we write 27 for 4 times. And then leaving the first 27 and last 27, we will double the middle two 27s. The double of 27 is 54. We write 54 for 2 times and we add these. So we write 27 as it is. 27 plus 54 is 81. So we write 81. Then again 27 plus 54 is 81 and we write 81, and then we write 27. Now we start writing the answer, taking one digit from each numbers. So we write 7 and carry 2 of 27. 81 plus 2 is 83. We write 3 and carry 8. 81 plus 8 is 89. We write 9 and carry 8. 27 plus 8 is 35. We write 35. Thus our answer is 35937. Hence the cube of 33 is 35937. Now we go to the next number and we will be finding the cube of 66. So we will write cube of 6 for 4 times, and cube of 6 is 216. So we write 216 for 4 times. Now leaving first and last 216, we will double the middle 216 of the middle one, and 216 multiplied by 2 is 432. So we write 432 for 2 times, and we start adding these. We carry 216 as it is. 216 plus 432 is 648. We write 648, and we again write 648. Then we write 216. Now we start writing the answer, taking one digit from each numbers, and we'll carry forward the balance one. So we will write 6 from 216 and carry 21. 648 plus 21 is 669. So we write 9 and carry 66. 648 plus 66 is 714. So we write 4 and carry 71, and 216 plus 71 is 287. So we write 287, and our answer is 287496. Thus cube of 66 is 287496. Now we go to the part 4, in which both digits are different, and our first number is 34. Here in this number both the digits are different, which are 3 and 4. Here we will use the method which is the universal method, in which we are going to find the cube of the number which has both the digits different. By this method we can find cube of any number. Now we will write the cube of first digit, which is 3, and cube of 3 is 27. So we write 27, and then we will write cube of second digit, which is 4, and cube of 4 is 64. So we write 64. Now we will write square of 3 multiplied by 4. So we will take the square of the first digit, which is 3, and we will multiply it by the second digit, which is 4. So square of 3 is 9, and we will multiply it by 4. 9 multiplied by 4 is 36. So we write 36. Now we will take the square of second digit, which is 4, and we will multiply it by the first digit, which is 3. So square of 4 is 16, and we multiply it by 3. 16 multiplied by 3 is 48. So we write 48. Now leaving the first number 27 and last number 64, we will double the middle two numbers. The double of 36 is 72. We write 72. And double of 48 is 96. We write 96. And we add all these. We write 64 as it is. 48 plus 96 is 144. We write 144. And 36 plus 72 is 108. We write 108. And we write 27 as it is. Now we will take one digit from each number and carry forward the other one. We take 4 from 64 and carry 6. 144 plus 6 is 150. We write 0 and carry 15. 108 plus 15 is 123. We write 3 and we carry 12. 27 plus 12 is 39. We write 39. Thus our answer is 39304. Hence the cube of 34 is 39304. Our short trick is based on the algebraic identity a plus b whole cube, which is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And this identity is useful for finding the cube of all the numbers. Like if we have to find the cube of 83, we will split it in 80 plus 3, where a will be 80 and b will be 3. And if we have to find the cube of say 64, then we'll split 64 into 60 plus 4, where a will be 60 and b will be 4. and we can find the cube of all these numbers. Now we go to the next number, which is 43. We'll find the cube of 43. The first digit of 43 is 4. We write cube of 4, which is 64, and then we write the cube of second digit, which is 3. Cube of 3 is 27. Now we will take square of first digit and we will multiply it by the second digit. So square of 4 is 16 and we multiplied by second digit 3. 16 multiplied by 3 is 48. We write 48. Now we take the square of second digit and we will multiply it by the first digit, and square of 3 is 9 and we multiplied by 4. 9 multiplied by 4 is 36. We write 36. Leaving the first number 64 and last number 27, we will double the middle two numbers. Double of 48 is 96, so we write 96, and double of 36 is 72. We write 72. Now we add, we write 27 as it is. 36 plus 72 is 108. We write 108. 48 plus 96 is 144. We write 144. And we write 64 as it is. Now we take one digit from each number. We write 7 from 27 and carry 2 to the next number. 108 plus 2 is 110. We write 0 and carry 11. 144 plus 11 is 155. We write 5 and carry 15. 64 plus 15 is 79. We write 79. Thus the cube of 43 is 79507. In finding the cube of 43, we had used the same identity. Actually, what we have done, we have written 43, or we have taken 43 as 40 plus 3, and cube of 40 is 64,000. So we have written 64 and we have not written the 3 zeros which we should have written above 48, 36 and 27. Then we had written 48, which is a square b. So square of 40 is 1600 and we multiply it by 3, which is 1600 multiplied by 3 is 4800, and we had written 48 of 4800 and we have not written 00, which we could have written on above 36 and 27, and this is a square b. Now we doubled 48 and we wrote 96 below 48. So this is basically 3a square b. Then we had taken the square of 3, which is 9, and we multiplied it by the first digit 4 and we return it as 36. Basically it was 40 multiplied by square of 9, which is 360, and we wrote 36 and we did not write the 0 of 360, which we could have written about 27. We had only written 36. Then we doubled 36 and wrote 72, and we added 36 and 72, which we had written 108. That is nothing else but 3ab square. And the last 27, which is the cube of 3, and cube of 3 is 27. Thus we have used the identity a plus b whole cube, and we had splitted 43 as 40 plus 3, and we made this our short trick from that identity. We go to the next number, and our next number is 54 cube. So we will write the cube of 5, which is 125, and then we will write cube of 4, which is 64. The first digit was 5, so we wrote the cube of 5, which is 125, and the second digit is 4. So we have written the cube of 4, which is 64. Now we will take the square of first digit, which is 5, and we will multiply it by the second digit 4. So square of 5 is 25. 25 multiplied by the second digit 4 is 100. 25 multiplied by 4 is 100. So we write 100. Now we will take the square of second digit and we multiply it by first digit. So square of 4 is 16. 16 multiplied by 5 is 80. So we write 80. Now we will double the middle two numbers. Double of 100 is 200. We write 200. And double of 80 is 160. So we write 160. Now we add. We write 64 as it is. 80 plus 160 is 240. We write 240. And 100 plus 200 is 300. We write 300. And we carry 125 as it is. Now we start writing the number taking one digit from each number and we will carry forward the remaining number. So we take 4 from 64 and carry 6. 240 plus 6 is 246. So we write 6 and carry 24. 300 plus 24 is 324. We write 4 and carry 32. 125 plus 32 is 157. We write 157. Thus our answer for the cube of 54 is 157464. Now we will go to the second short trick, and in this short trick we are going to learn how to find the cube of two digit number. We take first example by finding the cube of 13. In this trick we will first take the cube of first digit, which is 1, and then we will take the cube of second digit, which is 3, and this cube will write in 3 digits. Let's learn how to do it. So we take cube of 1 and we write 1, and then the cube of 3 is 27, which we will write in 3 digits. So we will write 27 as 0 to 7. Now we will multiply first digit by second digit and we will multiply it by 3. So 1 multiplied by 3 is 9. Now we will multiply this 9 with the original number 13. So we write 9 multiplied by 13, and 13 times 9 is 117. So we will write 117 leaving units place. So we write 117 leaving units place and we add these. So 7 plus 2 is 9, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. The answer for cube of 13 is 2197. Now we go to the next number, which is finding the cube of 32. We will repeat the same process. We will first take the cube of 3, and cube of 3 is 27. We write 27. Now the cube of 2 is 8, and we will write the cube of 2 in 3 digits, which is 008. Now we multiply both the digits with each other and we will multiply it by 3. So 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 3 times 2 is 6, multiplied by 3 is 18, and we write 18 and we multiply 18 by the original number 32. So after leaving one's place, we start writing the multiplication of 32 and 18. 18 times 2 is 36. We write 6 and carry 3. 18 times 3 is 54. Plus 3 is 57. So we write 57 and we add it 8 as it is. 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 7 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12 and we carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. And our answer for cube of 32 is 32768. We go to the next question, which is finding the cube of 46. We take the cube of first digit, which is 64, and the cube of second digit 6 is 216. We write 216. This is already in 3 digit, so we write directly 216. Now we multiply 4 by 6 and we multiply it by 3. So 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 3 is 72. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. 24 multiplied by 3 is 72. Now we multiply 72 by original number 46. So we write 72 multiplied by 46. Now multiplication of 72 by 46 is difficult. So we split 72 into 12 into 6. And we write 12 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 46. Now 6 times 6 is 36 and we write 6 and carry 3. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 3 is 27. So it is 12 multiplied by 276. Now we start directly writing the multiplication of 12 and 276. After leaving ones place, we start writing the multiplication of 12 and 276. 12 times 6 is 72. We write 2 and carry 7. 12 times 7 is 84. 84 plus 7 is 91. We write 1 and carry 9. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 plus 9 is 33. So we write 33. Now we add it. 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. And 6 plus 3 is 9. Thus the cube of 46 is 97336. We go to the next question, and the next question is cube of 72. The cube of first digit 7 is 343. We write 343, and cube of second digit 2 is 8, and we write 8 in 3 digits, so we write 8 as 008. Now we multiply both the digits with each other. 7 multiplied by 2 and we multiplied by 3. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 14 multiplied by 3 is 42. Now we multiply this 42 with the original number 72. So 42 multiplied by 72. It is easy to multiply these two numbers. So we start multiplying it. Leaving the ones place, we write the multiplication of 42 and 72. 72 times 2 is 144. We write 4 and carry 14. And 72 times 4 is double of 144, which is 288. So 288 plus 14 is 302. So we write 302. Now we add 8 as it is. 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 plus 0 is 3. And 4 plus 3 is 7. And 3 as it is. Thus our answer for cube of 72 is 373248. Now we revise this. In the 2-digit number, we have to take the cube of both the digits. In this case, it is 72. So we first take the cube of 7, and cube of 7 is 343. So we write 343. Now the cube of second digit is cube of 2, and we have to write the cube of 2, which is 8, in 3 digits. So we'll, instead of 8, we will write 008. Now we multiply these two digits by each other. So we multiplied 7 multiplied by 2 and we multiply it by 3. 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 became 42. Now we multiply this 42 with the original number, which is 72, and we multiplied 42 by 72 and we wrote the multiplication. Then we added these numbers, and after adding we got the answer as 373248. This way we have to use this short trick, and by this short trick we can find the cube of any 2-digit number in few seconds. Now we go to the short trick of finding cube of 3-digit numbers. Our first question is finding the cube of 102. So we split 102 in two parts. The first part is 1 and the second part is 02. Now we will write 4 lines for making 4 parts. In the first part we write the cube of first digit, which is 1. So cube of 1 is 1. We write 1. Now in second part we will multiply these two portions, 1 and 02, and we multiply this by 3. So we write 1 multiplied by 02 multiplied by 3. So this is 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So we'll not write 6, we'll write it 06. We have to write these all numbers in 2 digits. So 6 will be written as 06. Now we multiply this 06 by the second part of the number 102, which is 02. So we multiply 06 by 02, and 06 multiplied by 02 is 12. So this is already in 2 digits. So we write just 12. Now we take the cube of the 02, which is 8, and we write in 2 digits as 08. Now this is our answer. So we write this as our answer, 1061208. The cube of 102 is 1061208. Now we go to the next number. We'll find the cube of 103. We split 103 into two parts. First part is 1 and the second part is 03. Now we make the 4 portions by writing 4 lines. In the first portion we take the cube of first digit, which is 1. So cube of 1 is 1. Now in second portion we will take the multiplication of these two portions, 1 and 03, and we multiply this by 3. So we write 1 multiplied by 03 multiplied by 3, and multiplication of this is 9. So we write in 2 digits as 09. Now we multiply this 09 by the second part of the number. So 09 multiplied by 03, and this is 27. This is already in 2 digits, so we directly write 27. Now in the fourth portion we write the cube of second part of the number, which is 03, and cube of 03 is 27, so we write 27. This is our answer. The answer is 1092727. Thus the cube of 103 is 1092727. Now we go to the next question, and the question is finding the cube of 106. So we split 106 into 1 and 06, and we make the 4 portions by writing the 4 lines. In the first portion we write the cube of first digit, which is 1. Cube of 1 is 1. Now in second portion we have to multiply these two portions, 1 and 06, and we multiply these by 3. So we write 1 multiplied by 06 multiplied by 3, and multiplication of this is 18. So we write 18. Now we multiply this 18 by 06, second part of the number. So 18 multiplied by 06 is 108. So we write 08 here and carry 1. After writing 2 digits of 108, so we write 08 in this third portion and carry 1 and write 1 above 18. Now in fourth portion we will write the cube of 06, and cube of 06 is 216. We write 16 of 216 and carry 2 and write that 2 above 08. Now we add all these. We write 16 as it is. 08 plus 2 is 10, so we write 10. Then 18 plus 1 is 19, so we write 19, and we write 1 as it is. Thus our answer for cube of 106 is 1191016. We go to the next number, which is finding the cube of 111. We split 111 into 1 and 11, and we make the 4 portions by writing 4 lines. In the first portion we take the cube of first digit, which is cube of 1 is 1, and then in the second portion we will multiply 1 by 11, and this multiplication we will multiply by 3. So 1 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 3, which is 33. Now we multiply 33 by the second portion of the number 111, which is 11. So 33 multiplied by 11, and we know the short trick of multiplication of any number by 11. So 33 multiplied by 11 is 363. So we write 63 and carry 3 and write that 3 above 33. In the fourth portion we will write the cube of 11, and cube of 11 is 1331, which we have already calculated while calculating the cube of 2-digit numbers in this video. So we write 31 from 1331 and carry 13, and we write 13 above 63. Now we add all these numbers and start writing our answer. So we write 31 as it is, then 13 plus 63 is 76 and we write 76. Then 33 plus 3 is 36, so we write 36 and we write 1 as it is. Now our answer for cube of 111 is 1367631. Now we go to the next question, in which we have to find the cube of 112. We split 112 into 1 and 12. Now we make 4 portions. In the first portion we will write the cube of first digit, which is 1. Cube of 1 is 1. In second portion we will multiply these two parts, 1 and 12, and then we will multiply it by 3. We will triple it. So 1 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 3. This is 36, so we write 36 in the second part. Now we multiply this 36 by second portion of the original number, which is 12. So 36 multiplied by 12, 12 times 6 is 72, we write 2 and carry 7. 12 times 3 is 36 plus 7 is 43, so we write 3 and carry 4. So we write 4 above 36, as we have to write only 2 digits in this portion. In the last portion we have to write the cube of 12, and we already know the cube of 12, which is 1728. This we had already calculated in this video. So we write 28 of 1728 and carry 17 and write 17 above 32. Now we start writing the answer. We write 28 as it is. 17 plus 32 is 49. So we write 49, and 4 plus 36 is 40. So we write 40, and then we write 1 as it is. So our answer for cube of 112 is 1404928. We just revised this trick. 112 we have to split into two parts, which is 1 and 12, and we make 4 portions. In the first portion we take the cube of first number, which is cube of 1. In the second portion we have to multiply these two portions, 1 and 12, and we multiply it by 3. So we multiply 1 by 12 multiplied by 3, which is 36. Now we multiply this 36 by the second portion of the question, which is 12. 36 multiplied by 12 is 432. So we write 32, 2 digits of 432 here in the third portion, and carry 4 and write that 4 above 36. In the fourth portion we have to write the cube of second part of 112, which is 12, and cube of 12 is 1728. So we write 28 of 1728 in the fourth portion. The 2 digits only we have to write here, and we carry 17, and that 17 we write above 32. Now we add these numbers. We write 28 as it is, then 17 plus 32 is 49, so we write 49, then 4 plus 36 we write 40, and then we write 1 as it is. Thus our answer becomes 1404928, which is the cube of 112. In finding the cube of 112, if we had done 112 multiplied by 112 multiplied by 112, we would have taken a lot more time. Now by this short trick, we have calculated the cube of 112 very easily and in a very short time. So we should use the short tricks for all types of calculations. Many people suggest different type of short tricks. You should adopt that short trick in which you are comfortable and practice with that short trick to become expert in calculations. If you are fast in calculations, you will be solving more number of questions in any competitive exams, and your chances of getting selected will become more. Now where we use the short trick of finding the cube. The cube of 102 is 1061208. But if we had to find the cube of 1.02, then we would have taken the cube of 102 by any of the short trick, and then we would have put decimal after the 6 digits. So the cube of 1.02 is 1.061208. Similarly, the cube of 1.06 is 1.191016, as we know the cube of 106. Similarly, cube of 1.12 is 1.404928, as we already know how to find the cube of 112. Where we need the use of cube, we need finding of cube in finding the compound interest, and the formula for compound interest is amount equal to principal into 1 plus rate upon 100 whole to the power time. Here if the time is 3 years, then we need the use of finding cube of 1 plus r upon 100, and we can find the amount or compound interest easily. Volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Here r is the radius of the sphere, and we have to find the cube of radius. Also, in finding the volume of any cube, the formula for volume of any cube is V equal to A cube, where A is the side of the cube. This way we have to find the cube of any numbers in various types of mathematical calculations. And if we know the short trick of finding the cube, then we can use these short tricks in solving these types of questions. Math is easy. Do lot of practice, and by practice you can become fast in solving any type of question. Here completes this video. Please like it and share it among your friends who are preparing for any competitive exams. Also subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.